Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So today we're taking a look at the Joby Wavo POD streamer kit. So this is a microphone as well as a boom arm that they've actually sent out to me, and I've been testing this with a couple of my videos recently, and this entire video will be filmed using the actual microphone. So taking a look at the Wavo POD specification first. So this is 24-bit 48Hz audio, and that's for laptops and most USB-C devices. Now I've not tested this with my iPhone, but I don't see why it wouldn't work as you are connecting it via a USB-C connection. It does have both omnidirectional and directional recording patterns, so that's great when you want to actually capture some of the ambience of the room, and also when you want to isolate them and focus in on the streamer's voice or voiceover for the actual video itself. It does have built-in volume, mute and gain controls for the headphone port, so you can monitor the audio as you're making use of it, and this is a live level and you can adjust in real time as well. It also comes with a pop filter, which I do have installed for this particular video, and as it's listed at the bottom, it does work with all the other Joby accessories as well. So if you do have any other kit from them, then this is compatible with those as well. For me personally, with the challenges that I generally have with my videos, I have to go through a lot of post-processing to try and eliminate any type of breathing, because generally I tend to use a lav mic, and the problem with lav mics is you get very clear, very concise audio, but you also pick up all the breathing, all the patterns of that, and that's something that this should hopefully help you eliminate, because the microphone will be slightly further away, but it will still do a very good job in isolating the audio and giving you a very clean audio track. Okay, now coming on to the Wavo boom arm. So this is sort of a generic one. It comes with the normal 1/4" thread attachment on the end of it, and as it says, it's very quick and easy to set up. It's basically just like any other desk mount. It just has a screw that you clamp down on any flat surface, and that gives you some functionality in terms of being able to position it and also move the microphone away whenever you want to. Now it does say it holds up to 1 kg, and obviously, like I said, because that is a universal mount, it doesn't necessarily have to be used just for the microphone. If you wanted to place the microphone on your desk and make use of that for your camera, then you can also do that as well. I personally haven't tested that because my camera has a quick release mount that I don't want to remove, but there's no reason, if your equipment is less than 1 kg, why you can't actually make use of that in that same way. The boom arm does actually come pre-installed with the black strips, so when I did initially unbox it, I was kind of surprised that it didn't have that signature red strip, but it does come with the red strips in the package and you can swap them out. I personally have stuck with the red strips because I think it just gives it that contrasty look that I would want from the boom arm. If you do want a cleaner look, then you can just leave the black strips installed instead. As it says there, it's comfortable solid aluminium cup and headphones holder on the actual mount itself as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual microphone's packaging. So as you can see, the product itself is front and center. It gives you a lot of details in terms of the compatibility and different functionality of the microphone itself, as well as all the specification as well. So now taking a look at the actual microphone itself, as you can see, it has that signature red and black color scheme going on. You do have the volume button, which does have a light around it once it's actually powered up, and below that you do have the pattern button, which you can use to switch between omnidirectional or directional. The volume button also doubles as a mute if you press it. On the bottom you have your USB-C port as well as your headphone jack for your live monitoring, and just next to that you have your 1/4" thread, which if you do want to make use of different accessories or the boom arm, you can attach that there. On the sides, as you can see, you do have options of being able to rotate the arm, as well as some threaded inserts for any additional accessories that you wanted to make use of as well. It does come with a couple of cables in the pack as well as the user manual. Now taking a look at the boom arm, and as you can see, the red trim for me just looks so much better. Originally that was in black. You can see this makes a very clean looking desk setup if you did install this for your audio for all of your videos. If you are a streamer or a podcaster, then obviously you can make use of it for that as well. I think the look of these products is very premium looking. It looks very high quality and it feels very high quality as well. The boom arm itself has a very nice damping, and you can obviously spin this around and adjust as needed. And here you can see the actual cup holder, as well as below that you do have a holder for your headphones as well. For all the videos that I've been using this, I found it very useful and very clean, clear, concise audio. So yeah, this will be a 2 thumbs up from me. As always, I will have links for the product in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get around to them. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And I really appreciate if you can also give this video a thumbs up as well. And until the next one, thanks very much for watching.